kitchen. Hello everyone, today we are making mint jelly. This mint jelly is good with roasted lamb, and a bunch of different types of lamb. But what I find, and my dad disagrees too, but I find it really good, is that it's also good on its own, just as a nice dessert, maybe with a little ice cream on the side, maybe something a little savory. That's why you normally add the lamb to it. I personally find the lamb ruins it a little bit, but it's your opinion and it's up to you. I'd suggest make it, and if you don't like it, give it to a friend because they will probably like it. It's a very likable dessert. You're going to want to mash up the mint. My dad said muddled. Muddled doesn't sound like a word, Dad. Don't be fancy like that. Add the wine, vinegar to the mint. Here's where my dad messed up. The recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of calcium water. The pectin box is a half a cup. And Dad poured it. No, Dad, stop! Dad, no! Shh! Now that we've restarted and started again, bring it to a boil. You don't restart. Make sure you don't restart. Try and get right on the first try. Don't be a dad. It's okay if you are a dad, but don't be like my dad. He's great, but measurements. If you put this in a cheesecloth, that's great. If you don't have a cheesecloth, that's fine. You can use a strainer. You just might get a few pieces of mint in there. Bring your syrup to a boil. And as I was saying, this is good just as a snack on its own. A nice little yummy num 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 num. I don't know. Pour it into a standard container. It's very nice to go. Put it in your freezer, your fridge. It's a store for long term. It's hot. This is Dad's overactive mint jelly, and mine after I did it, my perfect mint jelly. Bon appetit, everyone. Have a good dinner or lunch or breakfast. Bye.